Well, it's finally mine. Okay. Get him off. Not even doing any intro. We're just getting straight into it. Shot. Okay. Here you go. Okay. We have instructions. And the spider itself. Yeah. Foam. More foam. Whoa. Here he is. Well, we got him out now, and time to do a little assembly. Okay. I'm gonna stand up here. Alright, here we go. Let's try to get the spider. I guess. I don't know how to do this. Okay. Okay, so there we go. There he is. There he is. Here's my boy. Okay. Let me just get the cobwebs on out there. Alright. He looks like he's flying. Actually, I don't know if they're supposed to do that yet, but let's quickly unfold it back, just in case. Okay, so actually here. Okay, I got some of that with it. Okay, that'll do for now. So we're gonna so it should say on the bottom. Oh yes, it's on the bottom. Okay. CCBA. Okay. So I'll take B. I'm not sure what I'll attach. This one? I don't know. Oh, like that. Okay. Alright. B's in there. We're going to take then
almost all of the running back series tonight. Matthew Sanford had a look in his eye that you know very well. Did not
okay.
like the fact that this season has been
take
by a whole lot of people.
And he's healthy. And last year, coming off of that Super Bowl championship,
C's here. Pick old C's. Snap that in. Snap. Listen. Alright. And then A. Last one.
The NFL so far through 2 weeks. The rookie from BYU, 26 catches already.
Alright. So both of those are in now. Those. And then spider, rapid fabric. Two holes are visible. I'm gonna take those. Just flip those around. Okay. And then some batteries on and off. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna just do that real quick. Alright, fellas, we're gonna do another jumping spider right now. And, yeah. Oh, he's resetting. He's resetting. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Wilson brings him down, but who would have 4 catches?
Oh.
Two timeouts left for the Rams. You gotta know where you want to get. The big thing is trying to get the ball to the sideline and get out of bounds.
Gonna do anything? Oh, shoot. Yo. That's cool. He's a pussy guy. Now let's do that again. Sideways. Dang, that's really good. Coco, look at the spider. Yo, this combined with the Hauntress is gonna get so many people on Halloween. Bro, we're about to have one of the scariest houses in the block because nobody decorates for Halloween. Dang. This is amazing. $50. Worth it. It's good. Adios.